Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been hearing about Apple's new Siri AI and want to know how to get it on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to access Siri AI and start using Apple's latest artificial intelligence features. Siri AI is Apple's next generation version of Siri, designed to be smarter, more conversational, and much more helpful. It can understand context better, assist with writing tasks, summarize information, and interact with apps in ways that traditional Siri never could. Naturally, many iPhone users are eager to try it out. The first step is making sure your iPhone supports Siri AI. Apple's advanced AI features require newer hardware, so not every iPhone model is compatible. If your device is eligible, update it to the latest available version of iOS. Next, open the Settings app and go to the Siri or Apple Intelligence section. If Siri AI is available for your device and region, you'll see an option to enable it or request access. Follow the on-screen instructions and join the waitlist if required. You should also make sure that Siri is turned on and that your preferred language is set to a supported language. A stable internet connection and an active Apple account are also important during the setup process. If Siri AI doesn't appear immediately, don't worry. Apple is rolling out access gradually, and some users may need to wait a little longer before receiving approval. Keep your iPhone updated and check the settings periodically for new availability. Siri AI represents one of the biggest upgrades to the iPhone experience in years, bringing powerful AI tools directly to your device while maintaining Apple's focus on privacy and security. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to get Siri AI on your iPhone. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple tips, iPhone tutorials, and iOS updates. See you in the next video.